Welcome to Polymath-Kids, the ultimate online learning platform for kids. Are you ready to explore the world of architecture and interior design with Polymath-Kids? Our course offers an exciting opportunity for kids to discover the principles of design, create sketches, and develop captivating interiors using cutting and pasting methods. In this course, your child will learn basic design principles like balance, rhythm, scale, and proportions. They will also explore software applications such as AutoCAD for conceptual design, SketchUp for 3D modeling, Lumion and Enscape for rendering, and architectural Photoshop for enhancing their designs. Our experienced teachers with years of expertise will guide your kids through interactive classes, sparking their creativity and nurturing their talents. We also focus on sustainability, teaching kids to incorporate eco-friendly practices into their design and make a positive impact on the environment. With over 60 plus fun activities from cutting and pasting and DIY art to conceptual sketching, string art, and 3D room interiors, our course offers a comprehensive exploration of architecture and interior design. In addition to design skills, we focus on 21st century life skills while providing STEM education. Nurture your child's creativity and passion for design. Enroll them in Polymath-Kids Architecture and Interior Design course today. Visit our website and register to start this exciting journey. Polymath-Kids, where creativity meets innovation.